Hello guys, welcome back to Tudum. So yesterday we watched Tudum. So that's why we are doing review right now.
ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರೋಣ. Okay, so uh, we went yesterday for the biggest sensation of this year's Malayalam movie industry, Tudarum. So it's Mohanlal's comeback. I saw the reviews. I mean, we were anyway planning to go because I guess it's been like how many, 15, 20 years since Mohanlal and Shobana acted together. So we wanted to go for this. And yesterday, before the movie, I came to know that it's directed by Tarun Murthy, and Tarun is actually my college junior. So we were in college together. We used to play. We used to be there together earlier. But I don't know, like now, obviously it's been like how many years? Like 16, 17 years since we passed out from the college. So don't know whether they remember or not. But yeah, it's a proud moment because his first movie also we saw, Operation Java. It was very good. After that, Saudi Velike, I guess it was a very good movie. I didn't see, but it got very good reviews. And now I guess it's his biggest movie with biggest star, and everybody is just raving about it because it's Mohanlal's. You mean you don't have to tell comeback, but it's after so long that Mohanlal has been able to kind of play this role where he basically acted. He showed every bit of acting, right? Even his eyes, his body movement, his expressions, his intensity, aura, everything came out well. I mean, I know that some people didn't like Emperor. It was a mixed bag, and mainly it was a massy movie, and it's more of a director movie, VFX, screenplay, and all. But this one, I guess everybody got to see the old Mohanlal. So I myself got glimpse of, I guess even Asha was telling glimpse of Brahmaram, Kiridam, Manichitta, so many bits and pieces of all kinds of Mohanlal which we have seen. So it was amazing to watch. And yeah, it's not a very people are comparing it with Drishyam, so it's not like a thriller or unpredictable kind of thing like Drishyam, but you will be able to predict the movie's storyline is good. But the main part is the way it's been directed and the way Mola and the other people have acted. So that's great. So please go and watch the movie. And it's a proud moment for all of the CECNs, our College of Engineering Cercla people. I guess people have been posting it everywhere, and I guess he has done a great job.
Guys, we missed to
Shoo, 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 shoo.
information like see.
Yeah, welcome back to Tudum.
Yeah, this is the new mic, which collar mic, which Sanju got it for me.
For anniversary days.
So, guys, yesterday we just went and watched that movie, and it was actually we got. I mean, not later. Before that, only we just got to know that it was directed by Sanju's
Junior.
in college, actually. So yeah, of course he used to play cricket, but now he doesn't. They don't know each other, I suppose. Do you know him? Yeah, he knows him, but yeah, maybe when they see each other, they might recognize. We don't know. So that is how, and we really liked the movie. And Puchku, what was your reaction? Did you like the movie?
I loved. Hello.
The I wouldn't say
I loved
like,
the action of Lolitan.
yeah, it's nothing like not predictable, and it is very suspense. No, it is very predictable story when you watch it, but the way they have presented it and everything, narrator, how they have narrated the story, and the acting, so that needs to be appreciated. So that is it. And then what, today I have a ladies party. Yesterday I had posted when puja videos, right? So there is our friend Sananda who is going to Canada.
What do you mean, my friend? He's a kid.
Yeah, she's your friend, no?
No.
So Sananda who is going to
He's
Canada
not.
next week. So they had a puja at home, and today we are going for a ladies pizza party. Puchku is not allowed. I'm not taking Puchku. Only ladies.
No.
No, I'm not taking him. It's only us who will be going. Puchku will be with his acha.
Me and Acha will be.
Yeah, and one more thing was the background score and music, you know. I really loved it. Alle?
Jake's visual kalaki.
Ha, it was really awesome. I mean,
Forest
everything was so relatable and it was really nice.
Oh my god.
It was really nice. I don't want to spill the beans, and you know, people should go and watch it. It's very nice. And then
If
what?
you want spoilers to watch, I can spoil also, but please watch.
No spoilers will be given. No spoilers. It's predictable, simple story with good acting. That's what I would say.
Non-predictable.
So that is how things are going on, and
किसी और को तू चाहे इस दिल को नहीं ये गवारा है फुर्सत का शरारा है कैसा अंगारा है तेरी तश्नगी ने मुझे मारा है बेवजह नहीं मिलना तेरा मेरा ഇവിടെ എവിടെ ഇല്ലേ ഒരുമിച്ച് വേണം
go sit there.
കേട്ടോ വേറെ വേണം
Then die.
ഇവിടെ